We're looking at Life Sciences Paper 2 from November 2022. And we're now going to face Section B, Question 3. So let's begin immediately with Question 3.1. You're asked to read an extract, and please read the extract with understanding. So read it with a pen in your hand so that you can focus on all the important features that you need to draw out of this extract. When a child is born, the umbilical cord is cut and stem cells can be obtained from it, meaning the umbilical cord or the umbilical cord. Many people think that the stem cells for treating human conditions should be obtained from umbilical cords rather than human embryos. Recently, stem cells have also been obtained from bone marrow, and these stem cells are used to treat heart disease, spinal injuries. So we've read our extract. We know what we're talking about. We're saying that in some cases, whole human embryos are used to get stem cells, but we can also get stem cells from the umbilical cord and from the inside of bones, long bones, flat bones, and that is bone marrow. All right, 3.1.1. Name 3 sources of stem cells mentioned in the extract. And you see, when we read through that extract, we already have those sources. We've got umbilical cord. What was the next one? We've got human embryos. And we've got bone marrow. It becomes so much easier to answer the questions when you have focused on reading that extract once or twice with a lot of focus and looking at it for meaning. Explain why the characteristics of stem cells make them useful for treating some disorders. So what we're looking at here really is we need to define what a stem cell is. We need to say what makes a stem cell different to other cells. So we need to say that when a stem cell divides by mitosis, some of the cells that are produced are going to differentiate, or they're going to specialize in their functions. So some of those cells are going to, for example, become blood cells or neurons or whatever. Here, other cells stay with the ability to keep dividing, to keep undergoing, let's put it correctly, undergoing mitosis. And once a cell has differentiated or specialized, it can no longer undergo mitosis. So why do the characteristics of stem cells make them useful for treating disorders? Stem cells have the ability to keep undergoing mitosis, and potentially they have the potential to become any cell in the body. So if we have a blood disorder, we could get stem cells from the same person and we could get them to differentiate or specialize to make blood cells, not just any kind of blood cells, but blood cells from that person with the identical DNA. Name one condition in the extract that can be treated with stem cells. This just involves you reading. Heart disease, spinal injuries. There are 2 listed, and you had to simply name one.